स्वभावचिन्मयानन्दम् कृपापूर्णं जगत्पतिम् हरिषड्वर्गजेतारम् नित्यानन्दगुरुं भजे स्वभावचिन्मयानन्दम्।
सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respects. First we will see these few questions, then enter into the sutras. What is your most favorite meditation technique and which one do you yourself practice most? There is a beautiful story. One great Zen master, he will constantly teach, don't smoke, but he is a chain smoker. From morning till night he will be sitting and smoking. But he will be teaching everybody, whoever comes, don't smoke. Means, looks very contradicting. Somebody asks him, you are teaching everybody don't smoke, but you are smoking whole day. He says very beautifully, I don't have to follow what I am teaching because I am not in the same plane to the people to whom I am talking. Very difficult for a normal person to understand, but the truth, he says very beautifully, don't do what masters do, do what they teach, because in your plane what is exactly needed is offered by them. To tell you honestly, whatever I am telling you as a meditation, I will be doing opposite. Usually I tell people when they eat not to be distracted, not to be doing anything. But when they bring food for me, they have to bring that day newspaper also. Because if I am not distracted, food will not go inside. With such a pure awareness, food will never go inside. And I learned somehow, it's practically like in India, for kids, the mother will take the kids in the lap and show the moon and put the food inside. Just like how the kids have to be diverted to swallow the food, somehow I have to divert here and there my awareness. How much I am able to divert, that much only food will go inside. The moment it comes back to the awareness, so much of fulfillment, so much of feeling overflowing, nothing will go inside. Actually, after enlightenment, I don't do meditation, I do everything opposite to meditation. In your case, you have to go up, in my case, I have to come down. Where more you will go down if you try to come down. It is very difficult to understand with a normal mind, paradoxical. It looks completely opposite. The person who is teaching constantly to meditate not only does not do anything, he does something which is totally different. I will never eat silently. Either I have to have some newspaper or some way to change the attention so that the body takes the little food inside. Not only food, in every action, Because constantly the body is staying in samadhi, sahaja samadhi. Constantly the body is staying in the state of nirvikalpa. To do the regular activities, little rajas or tamas has to be added, little bit of the distraction or the worldliness has to be added. So I want you to understand, not only I don't practice any meditation and I do something opposite to meditation. Trying my best to keep the awareness or attention with the world.